Mini PCs have become increasingly popular in recent years, offering powerful computing capabilities in a compact and portable form factor. After rigorous testing and research, we've narrowed down the top 5 mini PCs on the market that offer the best value for your money. So whether you're a student, a professional, or a gamer, there's a mini PC on our list that's perfect for you. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into our top picks for the best mini PCs of 2023. Number 5. Asus. The Asus Expertcenter PN52 Mini PC system is a compact and powerful machine that comes pre-configured with an AMD Ryzen R5 processor and 8GB DDR4 memory. It has integrated Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth for easy cordless connections and a triple storage design with options for upgrade. With 2 HDMI ports, it can support quad 4K displays, making it perfect for graphics-intensive work or entertainment. With its 0.9-liter volume, it's a great space-saving solution for both home and office use. Overall, it's an excellent mini PC system that is great for any user looking for a feature-rich, powerful machine. Number 4. Gcom. The Geekom Mini IT11 Mini PC is a small but powerful computer suitable for both business and home theater users. It is equipped with an Intel Core i5 processor, which has 4 cores and 8 threads, with a max turbo frequency of up to 4.5 GHz and 8 MB smart cache. It has 2 USB 4 ports, dual-channel DDR4 with 16 GB memory, and a 512 GB SSD, as well as Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. With Windows 11 Pro pre-installed and a 1-year warranty, it's a reliable choice for those looking for a small yet powerful computer. Number 3. Bosgame. The Bosgame U56 Mini PC is a great choice for those looking for a high-performance and compact gaming PC. With its Ryzen 5 processor, 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, 512 GB SSD, and Windows 11 Pro, this mini PC delivers excellent performance and quick loading times. The dual HDMI and Type-C ports also provide multi-display performance with 4K resolution. The EC Control Smart Fan helps keep the system cool and energy efficient. With its small size and lightweight, it can easily be taken with you wherever you go. Overall, the Bosgame U56 is a great option for those looking for a powerful and compact gaming PC. Number 2. Ace Magician. The Ace Magician ANR5 Mini PC is a powerful gaming machine with a unique design and features. The Ryzen 5 CPU and 16 GB DDR4 RAM, coupled with AMD Radeon graphics, provide lightning-fast performance for gaming and multitasking. The machine also features adjustable power modes, which allow you to switch between silence, auto, and performance modes to optimize your system for different applications and scenarios. The PC also has 4K 3-screen simultaneous display via HDMI, DP, and Type-C port. Furthermore, it has a magnetic side cover for easy disassembly and storage expansion. Overall, the Ace Magician ANR5 is a great choice for gamers and content creators who want a powerful and flexible mini PC. Number 1. Beelink. The Beelink U59 Mini PC is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a powerful yet compact office mini computer. The 11th Gen Intel 4-core and 5105 processor is incredibly powerful and capable of multitasking with ease, and the dual HDMI plus Type-C ports allow for 4K triple display. The device comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, but also supports Linux OS such as Ubuntu, Debian, and CentOS. It has plenty of ports and interfaces to meet all your office needs, and the cooling system ensures that the mini PC stays cool even after long periods of use. Additionally, the removable hard drive allows for more storage, and you can set up Wake on LAN, PXE boot, and auto power on settings on the BIOS. All in all, the Beelink U59 Mini PC offers excellent performance and features for a great price. And that concludes our list of the top 5 best mini PCs of 2023. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your search for the perfect mini PC for your needs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and recommendations. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more great content in the future.